it's Renee here. So this is a little vlog. I don't have much charge in my camera, but I'm going to the beach with one of my best friends, Maddie. So yeah, we're going to Surfers Paradise for a few hours. Just waiting for the bus. So yeah. I hope you enjoy this little vlog and enjoy your day. So bye. You're in my vlog now.
Yeah, I know.
Shit face. Starbucks over there. Free Wi-Fi. Free Wi-Fi. I've seen some. It's Nicole. No, I'm kidding. It's Renee here again. We're going to go get a drink. Just had a nice swim. Very lovely. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
I did say hi.
So we're just, crossing the road. Yeah. So let's continue. Ciao. That's so attractive. Sorry, we're on another bus. Got a little nibble to eat, but I'm gonna go nibble on some more food. So, yes. Just sniffing your go-kart.
You can see my personal one. I don't have one.
She doesn't have a personal one. Single voice. She's single.
Yeah.
Ew. Oh, I remember these things. Wow. Like, leave them and shit. Ooh. Some arts and crafts and stuff. What's $39? Wow. $40. Disney wall wrapper, $59.95. $60. Eat dick.
Excuse me?
Teeny. Thanks. Burp. Some more wrappers. Some playgrounds. Jump on it. No, don't jump on it, but go in it. How you going? I'd like to buy some ice cream. Thank you very much. Of course it's not. It's for little kids, obviously. Slide.
Okay, I'm one
A little tiny plant. I'm going to get a pot.
take on the bus.
Lol. Hope they allow it. Your weave.